Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to download the Remini AI Photo Enhancer app on a device. Now if you want to download the Remini AI Photo Enhancer app on a device but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that your device is connected to Wi-Fi or any kind of data. So if your device is not connected to Wi-Fi or any kind of data, then you won't be able to install that. Now after connecting to Wi-Fi or any kind of data, simply open App Store on your device. So after opening App Store on a device, this is the home page of App Store where you'll see various options on the bottom taskbar. So click on the option of search at the very top and search Remini AI. So as you can see, this is the Remini AI app which you need to download. So simply click on the option of get and a pop-up will appear saying install, and if you're installing it for the first time, then you need to double click on the power button. So click on it, and after doing all of it, you will be able to install the Remini AI Photo Enhancer app on your device. So that's it. That's how you can install the Remini AI Photo Enhancer app. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.